You might think you're learning until you actually have to answer a question. Here's the problem with simply watching videos or rereading your notes. It feels like you're learning because everything looks familiar, but familiarity isn't the same as remembering. The real test is whether you can actually recall what you just learned, and that's where most students struggle. You can use SummarizAI, a Google Chrome extension that can turn a YouTube video into an interactive AI quiz. Instead of just consuming information, you can actively test what you actually remember. Let me show you. Open any YouTube video, click Study, then select Quiz, and generate flashcards. SummarizAI analyzes the video's content and generates questions based on what you just watched. Now you can test yourself directly. Read the question, choose your answer, and see how you did. The questions are based on the actual content of the video, so you're testing yourself on what you just learned. This is especially useful for lectures, tutorials, online courses, and exam preparation. Instead of watching the same video again and again, you turn it into an active learning session. Now, you're not just watching, you're retrieving information from memory, and that makes your study session much more active and effective. One video becomes both a lesson and a practice test. Stop just watching educational videos. Install the SummarizAI Google Chrome extension for free and turn your next YouTube lesson into an AI quiz.